Welcome to Video Service Information. Working on this 2016 Dodge Ram with the 5.7 in it. The vehicle's got around 87,000 miles on it. The customer's complaint was the engine seems noisier than normal. With the engine tore down, found excessive wear on cylinder number 5 lifters. Also on that cylinder 5, inspecting the cylinder wall, found a groove in the cylinder wall that can be felt with a fingernail. Inspecting the camshaft, found excessive wear on cylinder 5 lobes. You can see the delamination. Here's an overview of the camshaft and the excessive wear on the lobes. Inspecting guides on the left cylinder head, found multiple guides have excessive wear. In this close-up image, you can see the excessive wear on cylinder 5 hydraulic lifters. Going to recommend an engine due to the scoring on number 5 cylinder wall. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.